Have you ever searched for a Maryland divorce record only to hit a wall of confusing databases and websites demanding your credit card? You're definitely not alone. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly how to find these records safely, legally, and without falling for expensive scams.
Whether you're trying to clear a background check, process a legal name change, or secure a loan, you need concrete proof. But unfortunately, the internet is full of hidden traps designed to exploit people looking for this exact information.
People make the same expensive mistakes every single day. They pay predatory third-party brokers, search the wrong state databases, or request the completely wrong documents. We're going to bypass those digital toll booths right now.
Section 1. Decrees versus verifications.
The biggest mistake people make is fundamentally misunderstanding what they actually need. People treat a divorce record like it's just one piece of paper, but in Maryland, it breaks down into two very different official documents.
Here's the breakdown. A divorce decree is the comprehensive circuit court judgment. It has all the sensitive details like asset division and custody. On the flip side, a verification of divorce is just a basic Department of Health certificate confirming the divorce happened. Usually that verification is all you really need.
Section 2. Navigating Maryland's systems.
Maryland splits its records three ways. The Maryland Judiciary Case Search is totally free for basic online info. If you need the full legal file, you have to go through the circuit court and pay copy fees. But for official proof, Vital Records handles the verifications.
And here's your ultimate scam detector, $12. If a website tries to hold a Maryland divorce record hostage for $50 or $100, run. The official state fee for a Vital Records verification is exactly $12. Please don't pay a penny more.
Section 3. Your step-by-step search strategy. So let's look at the exact actionable steps. First, start by checking that free Maryland case search database online. Second, if you absolutely need the complex decree, contact the specific county circuit court. And third, if you just need proof of a post-1992 divorce, order that verification directly from Vital Records.
Here's a crucial pro tip that trips almost everyone up. To protect privacy, Maryland's online system requires exact name spellings. Searching for Smith won't bring up Smith. Partial matches simply don't work, so you have to be precise.
Section 4. Privacy, safety, and expectations.
Before you search, you have to manage your expectations about what Maryland law actively shields. You won't find everything online. By law, the state automatically redacts highly sensitive information. Things like social security numbers, financial accounts, and identifying details regarding minors or domestic violence victims are completely stripped from public access.
Now, can you hide an entire case from the public? No. Sealing a record is extremely difficult. A judge requires a compelling reason and narrow tailoring, meaning they'll only seal what is absolutely essential to protect someone's safety.
A quick disclaimer to keep in mind. State laws, privacy rules, court systems, and fees change over time. Always double-check your facts through official Maryland court and government websites before you pay anyone or make any decisions.
Armed with this strategy, you can confidently secure the records you need while protecting your privacy and your wallet. Hopefully you now feel informed, prepared, and ready to navigate these public records safely. Stay curious and remember to always go straight to the official source.